Hello and welcome to Mint. This is Malvika Joshi, and joining us in this edition of From the Newsroom is PR Sanjay. Sanjay will tell us what Jain Irrigation is really doing to reduce its 3,500 crore worth of debt. So Sanjay, we know that Jain Irrigation has got a lot of debt on its books. What is the domestic strategy that they are going to follow going forward to reduce this debt?
We spoke to the management, Jain Irrigation management. He's telling that he's tweaking his business model, wherein earlier they were hugely dependent on the subsidies, which would mean, in simple terms, earlier I would give you the micro irrigation systems, and government will give the subsidy to the company. Now, instead of that, now they would be taking money from the customer, the farmer, or agent in between, and the subsidy will go to them. So that in that way, the receivables, the pending money will come down. So in that way, the company will get money, and the debt will be, they're trying to reduce its debt, and out of around 3,500 crore of debt, they think that they will be reducing at least 500 crore in this fiscal.
Sure. Are they also reducing the orders as far as domestic business is concerned?
No. Of course, the great focus would continue to be in domestic, but they are changing their strategy where they're chasing more orders from international market. The domestic economy is not doing that great, and thus a year gone by was a drought year for Maharashtra. So what they are doing is, with smartly, they are getting into Nigeria, Africa largely, and they of course they've already presence in Spain, US, UK, and other parts of Europe, Mexico, including Mexico. So they are expecting now this year 40% of their total revenue would come from international market, and going ahead, at least they could maintain in 50-50, so that in case if there's a drought, or there's some volatility in domestic market, it will be offset by the international market. So maintaining a 50-50 mix in the case of revenue to offset all this volatility.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Sanjay, for the update. For more updates, log on to livemint.com.